Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am here. I'm going to I'm going to change the color of my hair. I'm going to dye my hair because a lot of white is in my head. But first I'm going to put these gloves on because I'm actually going to clean this restroom as well, this bathroom here as well. I think this vlog you will not see me video it, but I'm going to be cleaning it. But before I do, I'm creating this content with my hair. So this one, I think I should cut the top. I think I need to cut the top. And squeeze. So what I am going to do is straighten. This is number 2, this is number 1. So I'm going to pour number 1 into number 2, and then this is number 3. Mango Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing After Color Condition. So after the hair is colored, Creme of Nature, actually it is Creme of Nature, and C11 Natural Black. So I don't know if I should wash it out when I'm finished, but I have to wash it out because my hair needs some cleansing. So this is number 1. So I guess it's not something that I use one time. Apply color. Step 1, first put a coloring gloves. Snip on. Dip of the green color. Where's the green color? Oh, this green color. Developer. Applicator. Shown and remove. Indicator cap from bottle. 2, next color. Developer. So I guess I should put it into a container. Shake vigorously until mixture. So I guess cut that. So I should pour this one into this one, right? See with me. I was doing it wrong. Shake well. Put my hair into 4/4, it said. You can see the white, put it into 4/4. No, guys, now it's done. 4/4 make a hole. My hair is thick. So I'll put it there. So I guess I'm going to put it. I'll put it at the front first. Oh no, this is the correct way. Here, this part of my head is where, before I do that, let me baste it. I'm going to baste my face so that the darkness doesn't come onto my face. Alright, so I baste it. Only tell me if I'm doing it the right way. I'm actually going to put back my locks in. You see that? Down in my ears. So I have to get something to clean my ears. I have to get the tissue. I'm telling you, when you're under doing these things, you have to be cautious. You have to be cautious. You can't be too giddy. I haven't processed my hair in years. I have not processed my hair in years. Reason being, I am afraid of the chemical. I'm afraid of it. Only one I use that does not burn my hair tremendously is olive oil hair cream. But the rest make me go. So I refuse put chemical in my hair. I'm trying to put, I don't know how well this is going to work. But I'm going to let it stay in my head for quite some time. Here so I have more white. The front of my head I have more white. Nothing's wrong with white. Maybe one of the time I'm going to dye my hair with fully white. Not really white, but you know, because since I have the white, naturally white that God is giving me, I have to. So I'm putting everything in my head actually. This is actually a Creme of nature. So I'm gonna see the nature is going to turn my hair in natural black. My hair itself is not black. My real hair that I grew up with is not black. It's blonde. My hair is actually blonde, but because of the grays that are coming, in my head. I have to change it from blonde to black. And we are in a new month. My gosh, and you will not see this video when I created it, but I felt an earthquake on Sunday. And the earthquake, I was in the kitchen. I was not creating a content, I was making breakfast at about 8:30 when I heard feel this jerk. Actually, it's burning my head. It is burning my skull. Whoever used this before. I'm gonna put in my locks in my head. You see? If you look at, you see the darkness? Fall on my clothes. So you know what that means? When I'm washing it, this army green jumper is going to be in the color of, some going to be black, some going to be color, but there is something called the greaser that can remove it, and there is Oxy Master that can remove it from it, so I'm not really worrying about it. So I'm going to actually clean this bathroom while this is working itself in right now. So you will see me when it is done. So guys, I don't know if it work. I'm wet. I don't know if it will work, but this is what I have to put in it next. This is the last step. I don't know if it work. It look real jet black, yes, but yeah, it look jet black. Black History Month gone and I never remember. Would you believe that? This black girl don't remember Black History Month. Always I see all this celebration, but somehow it never recalled to me. So this is what it look like. It's really do black, but this is the last step, and they said it should stay there in it for 2 minutes. Then rinse. 2 minutes, then rinse. And it's actually let my hair feel so wonderful. Let my hair feel so wonderful. Cream of nature. Maybe the products, I need to buy some products. But you know, the good product them, and in my natural hair, it must go in. To be truthful, it must go in my natural hair. Set to let it sit in my hair for 2 minutes. I think I'm gonna buy this one and dye my mother hair, you know. Yeah. Think I'm gonna to do that. Let this thing let my hair feel so soft. Hmm? The problem is right here at the front. I'm going to wash it out in 2 minutes. Here is your beauty natural hair. I wish I could wear my hair like this to work. This would be so marvelous. Because I wear my hair loose to the supermarket and my country. Hair went into my eye. I wear my hair like this to the supermarket and my conscience was giving me a beating. Because you know it's food establishment and your hair must be covered. Although I'm not working there, I'm going there to shop. But my conscience would give me a whopping. I wish I could leave this condition in it. Let my hair feel really, really light. I'm going to put this in it after I finish. Incredibly rich moisturizing. I'm going to put this in my natural hair after I finish wash. And this one is for heat protection. I'm not using any heat in my head. I am afraid of heat in my head. Definitely afraid of heat. I have blow dryer. I'm afraid of it. I'm not afraid. I'm afraid of it. I just don't like it. And I also have eating pressing comb. Yeah, I have all of them. But I definitely like it. 2 minutes gone? You think 2 minutes gone? No, I have about 30 seconds left. 1.5 minutes gone. Boy, it made my hair feel marvelous, guys. Marvelous natural hair, man. One problem I have is a white. But they said when your hair get white when you're young is that you're going to be rich. But I don't say the word "ri" yet. Right? Much more rich. Gosh, the tenderness in my head. Mango shea butter. I'm going to show you something. So, this is shea butter. When I look at the package, I don't know where I put it, you know. Oh, I know where I put it. This package, it said mango and shea butter. But I'm wondering if it's really the mango and the shea butter alone in this because it smells so good. It don't tell you all the ingredients. It just said mango and shea butter, ultra moisturizing, after color condition. But when I look at the ingredients, it's 2 ingredients. And I have one, but the other one is not hard to find, can you know? And this is the original shea butter. Let's look at it. The original, the raw shea butter. This is a raw shea butter. And I have it. I don't know who using it and take out some. But this is the original raw one that comes down from Africa. Yeah, I bought this small container for $2,000 in Jamaica, and I have it so long. It crumbs. It comes into 100% African shea butter. This is, and it come in cubes, but true I don't. It is in pieces, right? here, and I have it. So guess what? Wear this thing here. Let my hair tenderize my head. Wear this thing tenderize my hair. This mango shea butter tenderize my hair. I'm going to try it. I'm going to put it actually, not the blender that I use in the kitchen. I'm going to buy a smaller one, different. I'm going to use a different blender, and I'm going to combine the mango and some of this. Or better yet, I use a the whipping thing that I have in the kitchen, and I whip it out to see how this works. Because I have one of the product here, and the next product is easy to get. Because mango season coming up, so we can get it done. And but the smell of it is smelling so good. And this is the original shea butter. I plan to do, because I have a lot of aloe vera, and I wanted to do aloe vera, mix it with the time has not yet come. So now I am going to be washing out my hair, and then I'm going to be combing my hair, and I'm going to have a shower. So guys, this is, I'm not done. I'm going to show you the finishing product of my hair today, because I'm going to actually add in some locks. I remove the locks, I dye my hair, and I'm going to put back the locks in. So the locks are original locks, so therefore they are not damaged. So therefore I'm going to reuse those locks, because things go. The locks is easy to handle, so I'm going to reuse those locks. I will show you the finishing product when I am done. Stay tuned, okay? So I had my shower already, and as I said, I don't like it drying in my head. So boy, my hair, it feels so tender. The niceness that it had disappeared from the mango and shea butter feelings. But I must say, I am going to buy the wheel or the crook. Whew. Boy, see if I can get something to sweeten it. It's almost finished. Let's see. Okay. This gives it a little bit more easy to handle feeling. I guess it's the shampoo make my hair this tough, I should say. See how it shine? This is what I don't like about my naturally. This is why I always put additional hair in my head, whether braid, sewing, wigs, whatever it is on my head, because I'm telling you, natural hair here. It's so easy to handle. And here is always our beauty. Look at it. Here's our beauty. Open one. And this is me. This is me. Raw art authentic. This is me. think I'm gonna use a blow dry and get it. When I complete my hair, I'll let you see. This is where it reach. This is where it reach. It's coming out. So when I finish it, you will see. So guys, no. Oh. So guys, this is the finishing touch, the finishing product. This is how the locks look right now. So this is my transformation from me washing my natural hair, and I love this locks. You know, I love it. It's a durable locks. All you have to do with this locks is wash it and put it in back. I have it for a long time. See? See? It's all good. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. This is just a little vlog about me with my natural hair vlog. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share with everyone. I'll see you in my next video.